Well, hello and welcome to another video. Have you ever dropped your bike? You already know I have. When you do drop your bike, the thing that tends to happen is you break either your clutch or your brake, depending which way you drop your bike. They do tend to take the impact and break. The tips of them are designed to break, so it's usually just the tip that breaks off. However, there is ways to stop this happening, and that is to fit guards, solid guards, around the end that stop the ends of them getting bashed as you drop your bike. I've already got a broken clutch lever. I need to fix that, so I'm going to do that, but after I've done that, I'm going to fit some Barkbuster guards to stop this happening again.
So we got these handguards and Barkbusters, and the Storm covers. So first thing, off with the mirror, don't lose that bit, put to one side. Next off, take the bar ends off. I've already loosened them, so it should come off easy enough. Unclip that, guards are off. The piece from the mirror that holds the handguard, take a screw out that goes through that holds the clutch in place, take that out, and you can take out the offending piece. You can see the broken end, which should look like that. But you drop your bike, this is what happens. Which means the bike looks like this. So I've took the clutch out of here. The new one is on here, so I'm going to put that on. I've got to be honest, don't look much. 82 quid for this little piece of metal. I've got to say, it's a bit of a rip-off, but what can you do? You transfer the gubbins onto the new clutch, which, as you can see, it slides straight in like that. The clutch is in, and then put the pin back through it in there. Yeah, hang on. And there we have it. New clutch installed. The most important part of any sort of motorcycle what you're doing, whether it's a repair, an upgrade or whatever, this is the most important bit. A cup of coffee. I've got to say, now I've got these in my hand, it's quite a serious piece of kit, this. Good strong stuff. So that's going to go on there like that. But in order to do that, this end will need that installing there. So let's get on with it. So there we go. One Barkbuster. This protect this, so if it gets knocked from side, this shouldn't happen again. These are solid. All I need to do now is do the other side and then get the guards on. Barkbuster on. good. With a solid bar, that is protecting. Solid. Cool. There she goes. Both sides are done now. And the mirror's back on. As you can see, I'll be honest, this would have been better off in black really, but, well, beggars can't be choosers. I could have done something with it myself, but leave it be, I think. And that is how it finishes up. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.